Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Chalmette local and long-distance movers near me. Organizing relocation can turn out to be a more stressful process than you may think. For this reason, you need to hire a professional moving company to ensure that your items reach the new destination in good condition. You need to hire a company like 3 Movers, with professional movers who pack, load, transport, and unload your possessions safely and timely at affordable prices. Choosing a local moving company like 3 Movers can save you time and energy, especially when moving a short distance. We specialize in offering local moving services that match your needs. We educate our clients on the entire process of relocation, from pre-move planning to the material day when we will unload the belongings at the new home. This allows our clients to have a stress-free relocation. Also, we offer our clients first-class moves by answering and managing every detail related to the move. We ensure we meet and exceed high-quality standards through safety programs by our safety agent and offering extensive training for our movers and drivers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chalmette moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.